Number 1.
1990 Ford F150, price $8,500. This truck is a classic example of a well-maintained, vintage American pickup. With only 71,319 miles on the odometer, it remains in excellent mechanical condition and runs great. The current owner is the second owner, and the truck has clearly been cared for over the years. It is powered by a reliable 6-cylinder engine, paired with an automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and consistent driving experience. Finished in a bold red exterior with a clean tan interior, this F-150 has timeless curb appeal. It runs on gasoline and still holds its original charm. While there is some general wear and tear typical for a truck of its age, there are no major issues to note.
Number 2.
1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500. This is a solid and dependable truck that remains in very good condition for its age.
Finished in blue both inside and out, it features a classic 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Although the body has 267,000 miles on it, the truck is equipped with a newer motor and transmission that run and shift smoothly, with no leaks or ticking sounds. The vehicle starts right up and drives without any issues. It comes with cold air conditioning and hot heat, making it comfortable to drive in any season. The truck runs on gasoline and shows typical rust in the cab corners, which is common for these models. The current owner is the third owner and has maintained the vehicle well. Overall, this GMC Sierra 1500 is a great example of a well-kept, reliable classic pickup. Number 3.
1989 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,900. With approximately 159,000 miles on the odometer, it is powered by a reliable gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. The truck features a striking red exterior complemented by a matching red interior, both of which are in very good condition and reflect the pride of ownership it has received over the years. What truly sets this truck apart is the exceptionally clean undercarriage, virtually spotless, which speaks volumes about how well it has been maintained and cared for. It starts up without hesitation, runs strong, and drives comfortably, making it an ideal choice for someone looking for a dependable and classic daily driver or weekend cruiser.
The interior is particularly nice, showing minimal wear and offering a clean and inviting atmosphere. Number 4.
1979 Chevrolet C10, price $9,900. With just 45,000 miles on the odometer, it features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission paired with a 350 V8 engine, long tube headers, and a custom exhaust setup. While it may not be the fastest truck on the road, it delivers a smooth, enjoyable driving experience that's perfect for weekend cruises or long road trips. The exterior is finished in sleek black, while the interior sports a clean gray finish, creating a timeless and head-turning look. It starts up without hesitation every time and has proven dependable enough to make a cross-country drive just bring a pocket full of gas money. Running on gasoline and offered with a clean title in hand, this C10 is more than just a classic, it's a fun, eye-catching cruiser ready for the road.
Number 5.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,000. With 138,000 miles on the odometer.
It features a 5.7L Vortec V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and is configured as a two-wheel drive. The truck runs and drives well, showing no major mechanical issues. Although the paint shows some minor oxidation, it does not impact the vehicle's performance or drivability.
The air conditioning system does blow air but is currently not cold and may simply need a recharge. This Sierra comes with a clean title and is both currently registered and smogged. All necessary paperwork is in hand, making it a ready-to-go option for anyone in the market for a reliable, fuel-efficient gasoline-powered pickup.
Number 6.
1972 Ford F100, price $6,500. It sports a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, complementing its strong-running 360 V8 engine. The truck is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission that shifts smoothly, providing a connected and engaging driving experience. With just 71,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle remains mechanically sound and is regularly driven on the freeway without any mechanical issues. While the brakes are notably sensitive and require careful handling, the truck overall delivers solid and dependable stopping power. The body shows some wear with various bumps and bruises typical of its age, and the passenger side cab corner does need some bodywork for those concerned with cosmetic condition. Despite these imperfections, the truck maintains a rugged and authentic presence. It runs on gasoline, holds a clean title, and is currently registered, making it a well-maintained and road-ready example of a classic American pickup truck.
Number 7.
1990 Ford Ranger, price $8,000. It has traveled 85,300 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Its exterior is a classic off-white color, complemented by a blue interior. The vehicle has a clean title in hand and has passed smog inspection. Throughout its life, this truck was primarily used by a school district, which explains its excellent condition and relatively low mileage. It has been lightly driven, mostly as a weekend vehicle. Recent maintenance includes an oil change, replacement of front brake pads, rotors, and wheel seals, along with wheel bearing adjustments done at 84,000 miles. Additionally, new rear brake wheel cylinders were installed at the same mileage. The engine oil pressure switch was replaced at 84,000 miles, and the neutral safety switch was replaced with a serpentine belt adjustment performed at 83,000 miles. The starter was also replaced at 80,000 miles.
Number 8.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. This truck is a reliable and rugged full-size pickup, ideal for both daily driving and off-road use. Powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, this 4x4 truck has traveled approximately 170,000 miles and continues to run and drive well. Finished in a striking red exterior with a clean gray interior, it combines classic styling with everyday functionality. The truck is equipped with large 28-inch wheels that give it a bold, aggressive stance, though the original stock wheels are also included. It features cold air conditioning, perfect for hot days, and its four-wheel drive system ensures it's ready for various terrains and weather conditions.
Number 9.
1977 Ford F350, price $4,500. With just 92,000 miles on the odometer, it remains 100% factory original, including the powerful 7.5 L460 big block Ford engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. It runs and drives great, showcasing both reliability and strong performance. The truck features a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, both of which are in very clean condition inside and out. The body has only minimal surface rust, with no significant corrosion present. It comes equipped with factory-installed air conditioning, heat, and cruise control, all of which are still fully functional, including cold AC. This F350 is a rare package and includes all original paperwork. It only needs a current registration and new tires to be fully road-ready.
Number 10.
1977 Dodge D200, price $7,200, with 133,000 miles. It's powered by a 400 big block V8 and a 3-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission, with 3.23 rear gears ideal for highway cruising, easily holding 70 miles per hour. The truck has seen recent upgrades including a new Edelbrock carburetor, distributor, ignition computer, plugs and wires, power steering pump, front shocks, battery, and fresh fluids throughout. It runs and drives great, recently completing a 2-hour trip with no issues. With its green exterior and matching green interior, the truck has a great vintage look with natural patina, and runs on gasoline. It's a dependable classic that's ready to drive anywhere.